Back, hole number 6, Pro Division. How are we playing this hole? I believe we're going one top, full left. We want to be careful with the wind here. Make sure we don't have too much of a tailwind push. Anything 7.5 or lower is nice here for playing this way. Again, like rookie, we got the red halfway inside the rough. And we played this at 10% elevation. Tighten works fine here. One top, full left. We're going to give this some curl.
Perfect shot.
So if you have higher than a 7.5 wind there, I would take some top spin off of that. Half a bar to a bar at least. Here's the second shot. We played this at minus 20% elevation. Sniper. So minus 20% elevation. I also got this to work at minus 25% one time. We just did a regular 12 o'clock pull here. And what difference with the rookie than this is we're trying to go the left-hand side of the flag here. And again, we're trying to look for the hook to come back down towards the hole. And if you look at the center of the ball guide, it's going down the clear path, that clear square on the green. That'll tell you how much to the left of the flag you have to go. It's about a square or so left of the flag, so you want to have it fairly close. You can see it comes up right close to it. It's got very nice roll back down towards the green. So that was played at 3.5 top, fairly close to the flag. I believe we went one left spin on that, minus 20% elevation. So that's hole number 6. Welcome back. Hole 7. Again, just like rookie, par 3. We didn't have much success with the par 3s. Gonna have to definitely work on those next tournament. But we always come fairly close. Tried to pull out the big guns here. Pulled out a kingmaker to cut down the wind. Went full back to right. Figured we could go right in behind the flag here and pull it back down towards the hole. I believe we went with 15%, plus 15%, and I believe we played this at mid-distance. So what we're trying to do here is look at the tip of the ball guide. And it looks like we're playing right on the line there. Or just to the left of the line. Now you want to make sure you got a really nice pull here. And if this don't work, you might have to move it a little bit to the left. You might have to move that guide a little bit to the right. But you're going to have to get this so it works for you. So that's plus 15%. And we just missed it. So next time we might have to move that just a little bit more to the left. But that can be tweaked, I'm sure. That's hole number 7. Alright, we're getting down to the nitty gritty here. We're on hole 8. And we're going to play this at 20% elevation. 4.5 top. Full right. Tightens fine here. You don't have to use kingmaker. 4.5 top. Full right. Max distance. 20% elevation, kind of favoring the right hand side a little bit here like we did in rookie. Just off of center a little bit. You can see we have to adjust into a headwind. So we're going to go just a slight bit of overpower here and just slight bit of curl to the right. And you can mark down the yardage here. just so you're consistent with your second shot, 343 yards. So I have written down here at 344 yards. I played that at a mid minus 0.2. So if our mid, say for example, comes out to 2.3 rings here, I played it at 2.1. So it's actually mid minus 0.2. And we're going 3 back, 1 right. Believe I played the same in rookie, 3 back, 1 right. And we're going to go with a Hornet here because it's got a high accuracy. And we want to get that bounce so it's set up on the fringe or on the green at least. We don't want to be coming off of the angle of the fairway. Got a nice bounce right off the green here. So make sure when you're adjusting, push up so at least you're bouncing off of the green. And that one's played at minus 15% elevation. First shot plus 20%, second shot minus 15%. So that's hole 8. Alright, we're back for the final hole. Now I lost my notes for these holes, or for this particular hole. So we'll have to go through it here and just find out what happened. I believe we went full top, 1 right. Our elevation was set at 0%, I believe. Could have been 10%. So you're going to have to go through my ring adjustment here and you'll be able to find out. Slope it. Oh yeah, we went full overpower. Here's what we did. So I believe we played this at 10%. Full overpower, trying to hit perfect here. I believe we're looking for 380 yards. Oh no, 417. That's right too. Yeah, I had the notes down for this. Yes. I believe at 400... I believe we're trying to look for 418 yards. And then for a second shot, we're going to add 1.5 rings to our wind. So let's see if that's actually how we played it. So 418 yards, we're going to go 1.5 rings added.